Up Shiba Inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Shiba Inu. So, it is time everything is going good. Now, everything is okay, my friends. Congratulations to all Shiba Inu holders, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel because ABS Tech channel give you the latest update about cryptocurrencies market and especially about the Shiba Inu token, my friends. My friends, Shiba Inu is ready to the moon. Are you ready for the moon? Shiba Inu is going to the moon. At this time, the latest last 1 hour, 1 day price change of the Shiba Inu is positive. You can see here, my friends, the price change is positive. Absolutely, Shiba Inu will make you millionaire. They will give you good amount of profit. Remember that. They will give you good amount of profit. So please hold. Don't decide to sell. Please hold, don't decide to sell because the future of the Shiba Inu is very bright. The Shiba Inu, Kesho Inu future is very bright and don't be mad. It's time to only hold. And other side, my friends, the price of the Shiba Inu and Kesho Inu is both price is very low. That's why I really recommend for everyone that please invest more and more if you want profit. If you want to get a high amount of profit from a Shiba Inu, so please buy more and more. Let me show you the price chart. From yesterday, the price of the Shiba Inu start pumping, and still the price of Shiba Inu is in jumping mood, my friends. So hope they will continue this pump for a long time. Hope they will give you good amount of profit. And personally, Shiba is my favorite coin, and I really love. And personally, I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba Inu token. I'm holding it this time. But I'm a long-term investor. My plan is that I'm going to sell my Shiba Inu token in the last of 2021 or in the start of 2022. Anyways, what is your target? What is your opinion about Shiba Inu? Please also tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.